back to the channel. So there's a couple of things that I have to do today. So first, last, I have to do an oil change to this right here. It is long overdue for an oil change, and I've been holding it off until we got our own place. I'm doing a coolant flush on my Durango because my Durango's been overheating a lot, and I've added coolant to it and it hasn't done anything. So it's actually been spitting coolant out, to be honest. So what I'm gonna try first before I go and buy a new radiator and stuff, I'm gonna try to clean the radiator on the outside, and then I'm gonna try to do a coolant flush, and maybe, hopefully, I'll try that first because it's cheaper, and hopefully that'll get it fixed. But first thing first, let's go ahead and do the intro. So we are starting to get settled in the house, starting to get my garage kind of cleared. So the plan for the garage, y'all, is I'm gonna actually try to, I do plan on like putting stuff up, like my tools and add all kind of stuff. Better light, this light over here already went out, so for sure, maybe some LED lights, maybe painted, stuff like that. Make it feel like, I mean, that's a workshop, man cave, whatever you wanna call it. I gotta sand down this table right here, which is going inside the house. I already started sanding it down. And then I have to sand down this old dresser that we are refurbishing. My fiance wants to refurbish. So I have to do that first before I start on any of the car stuff. I gotta get the house stuff done first. I'm gonna be adding shells and stuff like that over here. I still haven't got my powder coater stuff here yet. Still at my sister's, but I do have all my screen printer stuff. I got my flash drive right here. And the screen printer stuff is gonna go all right here. So along with the powder coater stuff, which what I want to do is put everything on wheels so I can kind of maneuver it around, take the car out, work on my powder coater and all this stuff, and then move it to the side and put the car back in. Because I mean, it's pointless to have a garage if you can't park the car inside of it. So let me go ahead and give y'all a cold start. So I do eventually I do want to kind of add on to the driveway because I mean it's big enough for 2 cars, but not big enough to where I can literally park on the side of the Durango and open a door. So eventually I do want to add just a little bit. I don't know, that's what I'm thinking, a little bit, so I could park this more over, and it's not on the grass. I mean, I could park on the grass if I want to, but I'd rather just add some cement or something and then put this one so I can park this one right here. I mean, obviously there's enough room for me to pass to get into the garage. But I mean, we're about to have the Grand Prix here also, which is probably gonna be parked where the Durango at, and the Durango's gonna be parked behind it, most likely. So, or I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll figure it out. But let me go ahead, I gotta finish sanding this table down right quick. I gotta finish doing the bottom and then do this dresser. And then we're gonna start doing some car stuff. Down there, I think it's the plug to drain the radiator out. So you have to remove this plastic. There's like a plastic shroud. You gotta remove that, and then you can get. It's easy to get to that little plug down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that right quick. Look at that. Or I may use this. I may use my water hose to kind of spray this stuff off too, because this is dirty. So I'll probably use the pressure washer or the hose. If the hose not working, then I'll use the pressure washer. Oh, nasty that look. That is not supposed to look like that. So the next step is to do this. So let me find out how much I'm supposed to put in here, then I'll be right back. What I'm doing right now is waiting on it to get to operating temperature, which is a little under 2, which is I don't know, 170, 180. That's usually where it's be at. Under 210, I know that for sure. So after it gets to operating temperature, I'm gonna turn the heater on high and go ahead and run it like that for 10 minutes. Alright y'all, so excuse my dustiness. I'm all dusty from sanding the table, and I need another haircut, which I'm getting just done this week. So while I gotta let this cool down, and then I gotta drain it, and then I gotta put a 70 to 30 mixture in it, let it run for 10 more minutes, and then drain it again, and then finally go ahead and put the other coolant in it that's supposed to go in it. So I'm heading to O'Reilly's. So luckily O'Reilly's is not too far from my house. So if y'all ever wondered how much stuff you can fit up in here, I got both car seats in here, a lawnmower in here, and a little table for my daughter. So yeah, trying to be daddy and get the grass cut. So alright, so the concentrated one, I let it run in there for about 5 minutes or so. It really didn't give a time of how long I should run it. So I just ran it for about 5 minutes, and now I'm about to drain it out. It's a lot clearer than before. The second time I drained it, most of it went on the ground. So I'm about to go ahead and pull the plugs a little bit more to finish, just let it all drain, and then go ahead and it says rinse it, and then you pour the Prestone in here. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. Doing the flush really didn't fix much on the Durango. So what I'm gonna go ahead, I already ordered the radiator. I already ordered it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just change the whole radiator, and hopefully that fixes it. But before I do that, I have to go, and it's one of the things of being a homeowner is I gotta cut my grass. So I gotta cut my grass, and then once I finish cutting the grass and all that, doing yard work, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it apart. Yep, that's right, go. There you go.
What? I can't do that.
I'm gonna hold it and you're gonna turn it. Alright y'all, so I'm draining it out, and I already started unscrewing. I took the fan shroud off, and now Dallas is helping me take this last screw out. You got it? Mm-hmm. Go ahead. Yep. Go ahead, you got it? Yep. No, just look, hold this. Watch him come up. Hold the phone.
Oh, watch this? Why?
You watch him come out. You see, watch how I do it. See how I'm holding it? You just do like this. That's all you gotta do. Go back and forth. Yo, there you go. There you go. All right, that's good. That's good. That's good. Let's take it off. You not gonna help me?
I'll go take a break.
A break?
Yeah.
You make Uncle Mo sad.
And you Uncle Mo.
Alright, y'all, so got it out. About to go ahead and put the other one in right quick. And I noticed that it has a trans cooler on it. I don't know. I didn't expect that, but I'm about to go ahead and drop it in. It's already getting pretty late, so I'm gonna pick up the camera. If it work, it work. If it don't, it don't. And then we got another problem. So I'll go ahead and pick the camera up tomorrow and let y'all know what happens. So unfortunately, I was not able to get that radiator in time, so it's probably gonna have to be sometime this week. What happened is it has a trans cooler, and I actually broke the trans cooler. Y'all can see right here. So I have to order another one, but I'm leaving to go somewhere, and I won't be able to pick it up anyway. So it's gonna have to be towards the end of the week or the beginning of next week. I'll fix it. But once I fix it, I just put the trans cooler in there, bolt it back up, and everything should be good. Hopefully, that's what I'm hoping. So sorry for the lack of content. We've been moving in the house and everything and trying to get situated. Y'all can see we got a whole bunch of stuff still that had to go buy a lawnmower, had to go bring the screen print stuff here. We still like unpacking and stuff. I just finished this table for the living room, all black. But like I said, sorry for the lack of content. I'll be having some content coming soon. hopefully something different, some more GA content. Hopefully I'll be doing more things to GA once we get settled into the house, y'all. So just bear with me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.